You are viewing Video Vocab. We believe in the value of edutainment. We're here to entertain you in such a way that we help you to improve your active vocabulary. To achieve this, we will use clips from movies, TV shows, and podcasts.
Aspiration.
Strength is being flexible and steadfast. I learned in Iraq that the road to respect between me and my men ran two ways. In order to get respect, you have to give respect. When I look out, I see many faces, but I see only one nation with one aspiration. And that aspiration is to one day hope to dream together.
Yeah, you're probably right.
What do you want, Mr. Peanut Butter?
Gotcha! It's not Steven Spielberg. I changed my name in your contacts. Wait, Pickles wants to say hi.
What Pickles?
Hi, Bojack.
Hello? Are you the Pickles?
I don't know if I'm the Pickles, but maybe one day. Right now, I'm just a waitress.
Oh, right, the waitress.
Well, I don't know if I'm the waitress.
She's being modest. She's a waitress / aspiring Instagram influencer.
What?
¿Sabes oso comedies? Diablo. Now, I heard you need a job, but this... You know when guys like you go down for good? When they get aspirations. When they try and rise above their station. Now, this contract thing you got with Walter Jr. Do yourself a favor. You're a 2-bit, 3-block dope dealer. Stick to what you know.
Aspiration. A strong hope or goal you want to achieve. It refers to something a person deeply desires, often connected to long-term dreams, personal growth, or meaningful accomplishments. When you see the pause button on these definition screens, you can pause if you would like to keep reading. Perseverance.
We've held up our end of the deal. Tomorrow, you hold up yours.
What deal?
The flying.
Yeah, right. Don't worry, I'll teach you everything I know. Now, which bunk is mine? You see, flying takes 3 things. Hard work, perseverance, and... hard work.
You said hard work twice.
That's because it takes twice as much work as perseverance.
Codswallop!
Just knee first, just hold it above your knee and buck. Kick your knee up. Try again. You got it. Okay, do it one more time.
I hate this game!
Okay, you know, when I was little, every time I tried to kick a ball, I fell on my butt. But I kept trying because the only way you get better at something is through perseverance. You can't give up so easy.
You said but.
Why'd you cheat?
I'm sorry. It's just creative writing is hard. I can't do it.
Can't? We don't live in America, Steve. We live in America. No, wait. We live in American. No, that's not right. We are American. Where was I going with this?
I said creative writing is hard.
Oh, yeah. Perseverance, Steve. It's all about perseverance. And if I, Ameri, can't teach you about it, I have a friend who Ameri will.
Dr. Kelso, what are you doing here?
I'm teaching a couple of classes.
JD's going to teach here, too. Oh, Dirk. Sometimes I'll teach them. Sometimes they'll teach me. But we're always going to inspire each other.
You're still such an odd little fruit.
Dr. Kelso, I heard about Enid's passing. I'm so sorry.
Well, you bottom out, and then you persevere. I feel like I can say the worst is over.
How long ago did she pass?
About 2 days.
Know exactly what's going to happen. You know who else knew exactly what was going to happen, Ted? The Washington Generals on January 5th, 1971. They knew that they were going to lose, but they went in there anyway, and they gave it their best shot, and they won that game, Ted. For one reason and for one reason only.
Scoring error and the fact that Curly Neal had the flu?
Perseverance. It was the only win in Generals history, but that's all you need. Just one win.
Perseverance. The ability to keep going even when things are difficult. It means continuing to work toward a goal despite challenges, setbacks, or delays. Reinvent.
Morning. Good morning. Who's hungry? Manny, how do you take your eggs?
Like God made them.
Manny, what are you doing?
This isn't Manny. It's Manuel. He's trying to reinvent himself for college. He's going for a strong, silent type.
Hey, don't try to define me, man.
Manuel's gonna last 5 minutes.
Hey, it is what it is, man.
All right, everybody, listen up. The eclipse is happening at exactly...
We know exactly when it's happening, Dad. You told us.
Then just make sure you get back here so we can watch it together.
Where are we on this move?
Well, that's what Daddy and I are talking about right now, sweetie.
Because I have a major project due on Tuesday, and I'm not saying I haven't started it, but if you asked to see what I've done so far, there wouldn't be anything.
We're going.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm gonna need a little time to adjust, but we are going. Are you okay with that?
Totally. I'll reinvent myself. I'm gonna dye my hair blue and carry around an emotional support pig.
Oh, I know just the pig.
Cam, we'll call the college.
Aries, you're gonna spend the rest of your mortal life a hunted man unless you assume a new identity.
You need to go undercover as someone else.
Reinvent myself. Well, not opposed to the idea. I've given a lot of thought to how I'm gonna live the rest of my mortal life. King, priest. The cult was sexy enough.
Aries, you've got to do something that no one would ever suspect of you.
That the survivors of a lost civilization who already had all that knowledge came to Göbekli Tepe and used that site as a center of initiation to teach the local hunter-gatherers how to do agriculture. And that's now taken as the beginnings of civilization. I would say it is the reinvention or the remaking of civilization.
So when we're looking back at Sumer or any artifacts we find in ancient Mesopotamia, in that area, Iraq, those are the people that are sort of reinventing and relearning.
Reinvent. To change something so it feels new or different again. It often means improving or reimagining something, like a person, idea, or product, to better fit new goals or situations. Retrospect.
You mean the depruner?
Take a look.
Well, what do you know? By increasing the gaseous conduction analyzer and factoring in the shift of the gyroscopic stabilizer. Huh.
It's obvious, in retrospect.
A bona fide cell recycling machine. Well, I'll be.
Actually, you already are.
I don't know what to say.
I'm not surprised.
Can I have this?
What am I gonna do with it? I'm a garbage man.
Okay. I don't understand what you
Okay,
mean.
basically, I'll add a piece of information, then you add another piece of information, but if you negate my information, it stops everything.
Yeah, okay.
So I'm just glad we were able to do this, because we can interact this way now.
It is.
Okay.
It's okay. It's
All right,
okay.
well, thank you.
Yeah.
Rest. Is he serious, boss?
Mikey was a strange character, but in retrospect, when I learned everything, I kind of understand him much better. I think he was doing what he was told to do.
Oh, dude, WTF.
Oh, jeez. What? That woman over there. We used to go out. Did it not end well? Hey, it went fine for me. Although, in retrospect, I guess I could have handled our parting with a little more tact and sensitivity and a little less, banging her best friend. Oh, God.
Retrospect. Thinking back on something that happened in the past. It refers to looking back and reflecting on events or decisions after they have already occurred, often to gain understanding or insight. During this new year, you might have an aspiration to accomplish many things by setting goals. To set the best goals, it is often best to look at your life in retrospect. To achieve your goals, it takes perseverance. If you set enough goals and achieve them, you can reinvent yourself. We are a new channel, and yet many have subscribed. If you have, we thank you. If you like this episode of Video Vocab, please like it, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to our channel. We challenge you to add a comment on what you think are the sources for any of these video clips. Can you guess which movie, TV show, or podcast they come from? Each clip has the word and a clip number to help you identify it in your comments. Some are obscure, so have fun. Also, what is your favorite clip? After a week we will list the sources so you can see how right you were. Thought of the day. By Ver McClellan. What the new year brings to you will depend a great deal on what you bring to the new year.